Hi guys, welcome to my shop at Spiritual Blessings Co. Today I am going to be making my banana creamy hair growth butter, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what the process looks like and how I make my hair products, okay? So I'm going to get started. So as far as the banana goes, I'm only going to be using a small amount of the banana in my creamy hair growth butter. I'm going to use 2 slices of that. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to move over to the food processor, okay? Okay guys, I'm at my food processor. I am going to be placing the 2 bananas that you saw me with earlier into the food processor. I am going to be adding my shea butter into the mixture as well. And this is about 8 ounces of creamy white shea butter that I use. So I'm going to be putting this in. Okay, so I have all of the shea butter in the food processor. My next step is to add some orange butter to the mixture. That's my next step, is the orange butter. And these, along with the shea butter, the orange butter really helps promote softness in 4C type hair. Really in all types of hair this is good. But it provides the moisture that, you know, 4C, 4B hair needs, okay? So then I move on to adding, I always add a preservative in my hair mixtures because if I have any type of food product, I need that to be protected for all of you and all my customers, okay? So we add that preservative in. And then I go and I add some oil in there as well, hair oil. And then I add another smoothing emollient for hair, which is lanolin, okay? So I add 1 scoop of lanolin to this as well. And then finally, for the final part of this process, I add my fragrance oil into the mixture, the hair butter. Okay, and now this is where the magic happens. I am going to mix this hair butter. All right, we're going to mix it. We want to stop and make sure that everything is blending well together. So I just check in the mixture here, and everything looks great. Okay, and this is how the mixture is looking at this time. Nice and creamy and smooth, okay? Okay, so this is the final step in my hair butter process, okay? I fill my 8-ounce container with the product that I'm going to be shipping to my customers. And you can see it's very smooth and creamy and infused with the banana that I cut earlier. And this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so again, thank you for visiting my shop, and I look forward to you guys purchasing this hair growth butter, okay?